The Kenya National Chamber of Commerce and Industry has rolled out a partnership with several private companies aimed at equipping youth with hands-on skills in the micro, small and medium enterprises. The organization says the initiative is aimed at bridging a skills gap by offering them an opportunity to intern at relevant industries.
The Kenya National Bureau of Statistics indicates that 2.97 million youth are without a job. Coupled with a significant gap in the linkage between vocational training and youth underemployment, the partnership between the Kenya National Chamber of Commerce and Industry and businesses seeks to address the shortage of technical skills in the domestic and commercial sectors.
There is a carefully planned reintegration program for the youth and children who undergo vocational training. They are still our children. We must give them a second chance. So we urge all other institutions, private sector, employers, that when we bring you these youth, accept them, because we will have done a good deal of work.
Ali says there is a need to prioritize the collaborative engagements between the county governments and the TVETs that will give students real-life exposure to industry matters.
Through strategic partnership and dedicated funding, we are now poised to create integrated system of vocational training and aligns with the needs of the job market.
The first phase of the program is set to be rolled out in private manufacturing industries based in the counties of Nakuru, Kisumu, Mombasa, and Nairobi. Ndutamo Kami for Lunchtime News.